Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayas. I am the student of Rehan School Islamabad, Affaired Campus at Foundation level. This is my TEDx on the topic of what holds you back by Zoya Nasir. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I watched the inspiring TEDx talk fair What Holds You Back by Zoya Nasir. This talk focuses on how fear affects our lives and prevents us from reaching our true potential. In her speech, Zoya Nasir explained that fear is a natural human emotion. Everyone experiences fear at some point in life. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of judgment, or fear of making mistakes. However, the real problem begins when fear stops us from moving forward and achieving our goals. One of the most powerful lessons from this TEDx talk is that confidence does not mean having no fear. Confidence means facing fear and continues despite it. Zoya Nasir encourages people to step out of their comfort zone and believes in themselves. She also talks about how society sometimes creates pressure and self-doubt, especially for young people. Many people avoid chasing their dreams because they worry about what others will say. According to Zoya Nasir, success becomes possible when we stop allowing fear to control our decisions. Another important message from the talk is the importance of self-belief. Every person has talent and potential, but fear often hides those abilities. When people trust themselves, they become stronger, more creative, and more determined. I also like Zoya Nasir sharing motivation ideas in a simple and relatable way. Her speech inspire people to take risks, learn from failure, and keep growing in life. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that fear should never become a barrier to dreams and success. Instead of running away from fear, we should face it with courage, positivity, and determination. Thank you everyone for listening. This is my ChatGPT and this is my TEDx talk in English. So this is Zoya Nasir reviewing TEDx. So this is very impressive, inspiring TEDx talk. So this is successfully done. So Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan Zindabad.